Understanding raining cats and dogs. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting and colorful phrase in the English language: raining cats and dogs. This idiom is widely used and often confuses English language learners. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Raining cats and dogs is an idiomatic expression in English. It does not mean that cats and dogs are literally falling from the sky. Instead, it is a colorful way to describe very heavy rain. This phrase is used when it's raining exceptionally hard, almost as if cats and dogs were falling out of the sky. The exact origin of raining cats and dogs is unclear, but it's believed to date back to the 17th century. One theory suggests that during heavy storms in Old England, stray cats and dogs would get swept away by the water, making it look like it was raining animals. Another theory links it to Norse mythology, where cats and dogs were associated with rain and wind, respectively. This section will delve into these fascinating theories to understand how this phrase became a part of the English lexicon. Now that we know what it means, let's learn how to use raining cats and dogs in a sentence. It's important to remember that this phrase is used metaphorically and is typically employed in informal settings. Here, we'll provide examples of sentences and contexts where this phrase is appropriately used. English is rich in idioms, and there are several other expressions that convey the idea of heavy rain. We'll explore phrases like pouring down, bucketing down, and others. Additionally, it's interesting to note that many languages have their own versions of this expression. This section will offer a glimpse into how different cultures describe heavy rain through idiomatic expressions. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the curious phrase, raining cats and dogs. Understanding such idiomatic expressions can not only enrich your English vocabulary but also offer insights into the language's cultural quirks. Happy learning! And don't forget to carry an umbrella when it's raining cats and dogs out there.